Whether it's tracking action items, managing meeting notes, or brainstorming with your colleagues, use BasicOps notes to organize your work and collaborate with your team. Here, you can stylize your content by highlighting and then selecting an option from the toolbar. You can bold, italicize, underline, or create a link. Highlight multiple lines to create a bullet point or a number list. If you're managing a checklist and decide an action item needs further responsibility, turn it into a task. Highlight the text and then select the checkmark option. You can then click on the task to view its details and manage the task right within the note. In addition to creating tasks, you can also attach files by dragging and dropping, mention team members to get their attention, and reference other projects and tasks by using the hashtag. Everything is quick and easy to help you collaborate efficiently with your team. And since everything is in real time, your note will always display the latest information. You can even see who is typing at the top. Use BasicOps notes to organize and collaborate seamlessly with your team. Don't forget to check out our other BasicOps videos to learn more.